How to block someone on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, so just follow these steps. Now, as you might know, TikTok has made a recent update where the blocking method has changed a bit, but it's still relatively the same. So we were going to see how it works. Once you are say for example, I want to block this person right here, just navigate to that person's profile, and once you do that, you need to click on the arrow icon at the top right corner of the screen, and from here you will see the block option at the bottom. If you clicked on it, you will see that you will get this confirmation box that tells you what will happen when you block this person. Click on block to confirm, and as soon as you do that, you will see that this person has been blocked. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can block people on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.